All right, so we've been adding and subtracting imaginary numbers, but what if I were to say, what's 4 plus 9i? Remember, that's like one complex number times 6 minus 2i. Well, we do that exactly like we would if we were multiplying binomials, right? So I'm going to say 4 plus 9i over here, and then over here I'm going to say 6 times negative 2i. So we're going to multiply the row by the column, so I'm going to say 6 times 4 is positive 24. Then I'm going to say 6 times positive 9i is positive 54i. And then 4 times negative 2i gives me negative 8i. And then negative 2 times positive 9 is a negative 18. And then what's I times I? I squared. Remember that the square root of 1 equals I, and then negative 1 is equal to I squared. So what we really have is 24 plus 54i minus 8i minus 18i squared. Okay, so we got to do some math here. Well, over here where I say negative 18, I'm going to substitute in negative 1 for I squared. Why? Because over here, I know that I squared equals negative 1. So when I do that, everything else kind of stays the same for now. But I can combine these I values. So what's 54 minus 18? Or 8, I'm sorry. Isn't that 46i? What's negative 18 times negative 1? Just positive 18, right? What's 18 plus 24? 42 plus 46i. So if you guys are a little confused, I probably shouldn't have done it this way, but I just took 24 and added 18. Those are real numbers. I put those together, and that's where I got my 42 from. So this whole thing, I did all this math to say that this equals 42 plus 46i. Remember that this is the real component of the complex number, and this is the imaginary component of the complex number. And those two things combined, this is a complex number written in the form A plus BI. Okay? And that's about all the time we have for today. I'll do some more notes. Do you guys want me to assign the work for you to look at it, or you just want to wait until